weather made the news today. At the Circle K, people pray. They believe anything you say. I walk on past, watch the sensors and blasts. The wind will be coming up soon. But that's okay, still not right. And I'm in a party mood. Where you go with a hurricane blows. Don't have to pack the top, wear my clothes. He's on down to the local bar. Lots of cars leaving us behind. We raise our glasses and we wave goodbye. Snowbirds, this ain't our first ride. Plywood's in short supply, not much eyes for a beat. But the power's not off and the wind can change. It just might not hit here. The seagulls ain't left and the dolphins are fine. But was it that weather girl said? It's like we're in for a mighty hard ride, but this part of shit ain't dead. Where you go when the hurricane blows? I don't have to pack cause I'm wearing my clothes. He's on down to the local bar. Lines of cars leaving us behind. We raise our glasses and we say goodbye. Snowbirds, this ain't our first ride. I don't go inside for milk or bread. The shelves are all picked clean. Got a carton of cigarettes, my old army canteen. We ain't much on stocking supplies. Bar's got sausage and eggs. We don't drink with water anyway, unless it comes in a cake. Where you go when the hurricane blows? I don't have to pack cause I'm wearing my clothes. He's on down to the local bar. Lots of cars leaving us behind. We raise our glasses and we say goodbye. Snowbirds, this ain't our first ride. Snowbirds, this ain't our first ride.